Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to create guest account in Windows 11 step by step, so you can easily set up a limited account for others. Step 1. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. On the left menu, choose Accounts, then scroll down and click on Other Users. Here, click the Add Account button to begin creating a new user. Step 2. When asked for sign-in information, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Next, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. This allows you to create a simple local account without needing an email address. Step 3. Enter a username for the new guest account. Remember, you cannot use the word guest as the name, so choose something different. It's recommended to leave the password fields empty, but you can add one if you want. Then, click Next. Step 4. Now it's time to add restrictions. In the Windows search bar, type Computer Management and open it. Under System Tools, click on Local Users and Groups, then select Groups to see the available groups. Step 5. Double-click on Guests, then click the Add button. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the account name you just created. Click on Check Names to confirm, then press OK. Now your new Windows 11 guest account is ready with limited privileges. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy tech guides.